Hello and welcome to the introduction and basic of AutoCAD. In this video, I will introduce you to the AutoCAD software. So, this tutorial video is for the beginners who absolutely has no knowledge about the AutoCAD software. So, in this video, you will get introduced to the AutoCAD interface and I will teach you some basic commands and how to select a command. And then we will draw some basic drawings using those commands. First of all, let us understand what is AutoCAD. So, AutoCAD was first launched in 1982 by the company Autodesk. AutoCAD is a designing software which enables users to create two-dimensional and three-dimensional models, drawing, and designs. You can save your file in PDF and DWF form. AutoCAD helped industries like architectural, engineering, construction, and interior designer. This is the very first interface you will get when you will start your AutoCAD application. On the middle, you get recent document, which tell all the saved documents you perform or save in your AutoCAD file. On the left hand side, you get a panel which says Start Drawing. This allows you to draw different newly designs you want to create on AutoCAD. By just simply left clicking on the mouse, you can enter into this interface. This is an infinity space which allow you to draw your designs and drawings as much as you want. On the top, you have different commands. By the help of this command, you can draw your designs as you want. By just simply left clicking on the mouse, you can select those commands. For example, if I want a line command, I will just go on the line and then click left on the mouse. This will activate the line command. Now I want the line to be drawn from here to here. Then for escaping from this command, I will just press the escape button. You can enter into the command by just simply writing the shortcut keys for the command. Like for the line, you just need to press L space, which will allow you to perform the uh, design you want from the line command. I'll just click the left button on the mouse and it will allow me to create a line. Every command present here at the top has its own shortcut. For a circle, you just need to type C command and press the button enter. You will enter into the circle command. You just need to press the left button on the mouse and need to drag the circle. This will allow you to create a circle. Now let's see how to set up units in AutoCAD. First of all, for setting up the units, we have to type UN and then space. It will open a new panel of drawing units. Here are the different types of land you want for your drawing. I'll save it to architectural, the precision to 00, and then I'll set the units to inches, and then I'll simply press OK. Now my units of AutoCAD are set into feet. Now I'll type D and space, which opens a panel of dimension style. Now I'll go to modify, primary units, save the units in same as I did in units panel, architectural 00, then OK, set it to current layer and then close. Now my units are set into fit. Now let's draw a simple square of 15 feet. I'll take the line command, I'll get a point and then I'll type 15 feet. And for the angle, I'll simply press the tab key and I'll give the angle. I want the line to be 0 degree, which is straight, and then I'll press enter. It will draw a straight line of 0. Now for the side of square, I'll again type 15 feet, then I'll press the tab key, which gives me an option of typing the angle. Now I'll type 90, which is a straight line at upward direction. Now I'll simply press enter. It will draw a straight line of 90 degree at 15 feet. Now I want the line to go from here to here, which is 180 degree. Now I'll simply draw a 15 feet line tab at 180 degree. Now I'll press enter. It will draw a straight line from right to left of 15 feet. Now for going down, I'll simply again write 15 feet tab. So I'll type 270 and then I'll press enter. It will complete my square. Now let's check. This is 15 feet as well as this is also 15 feet. This is how you draw a square using line command with angle. Now after drawing a square, I'll try to draw a rectangle by using line command with giving the angles. I'll simply type L space, which will show me the which will ask me to specify a point. I'll mark a point. Then I want the length to be 12 feet at 0 degree angle. So I'll press tab and then 0. After pressing the space button, it will give me a 12-foot line. It will give me a 12-foot line at 0 degree angle. For the upwards line, I want the line to be 5 feet. Tab, the line is straight, which is 90 degree. So I'll type 90 and then space. As you can see, it has drawn a straight line of 5 feet at 90 degree angle. Now, for completing the rectangle, I have to draw again a 12-foot line at the angle of 180 degree. As you can see, it has drawn a line from right to left at 180 degree, which is of 12 feet. Now for completing the rectangle, again I have to draw a 5-foot line tab and the angle is 270 degree. So I'll type 270 and after pressing the space button, you can see it has drawn a complete rectangle. Let's check it again. It says the length is 12 feet and the width is 5 feet. This is how you draw different shapes using the line command and giving it an angle.